Justice is. Justice is. Justice is. Beke beku. Beke beku. Beke beku. Justice is. Justice is. Down, down. Down, down. Down, down.
I and Atul met during the COVID times, and we used to go for lunch, dinner, movies together. And what he shared us in the media that he was depressed, he is not at all depressed, because his preparation work went for a few weeks and months.
He sacrificed his life not only for he or his family, he sacrificed lives for entire community.
Atul has died for people like him who are suffering not only with the law but unfair treatment of the judiciary. So the judiciary should also give a fair legal treatment towards the men so that his Atma will rest in peace.
Not a happy occasion obviously, but something that has struck the chord in all of our lives. The justice system has got weaponized against the husbands. It just acts like a tool to harass the husbands, their families in multiple ways possible.
It's very difficult situation for everyone. We should fight for justice. We should ensure equality. Man lives matter.
It's not only the laws favoring women, the judicial treatment, like the judiciary or the system treatment again men is very harsh and rude. When you get a case when you or your parents reach out to the court, they are not even checking the prima facie evidence, and they are just making mockery of the men and their parents. And instead of giving faith that they will give a fair justice or fair hearing towards men.
I was one of the person who also signed his bill when he got it registered, and that was a couple of weeks and months back. So, and there is a extensive documentation that he has prepared, extensive video that he has made. I didn't dare to go through that completely, because then I will not be in this good state of mind to participate in these kind of events. So those extra paperwork proves that he did it with a lot of meticulous calculation, which also came up in the Republic TV channel, where Arnab Goswami said that with clinical precision he wrote all of that. Even after that, if he doesn't get the real justice, even after that, if the perpetrators are not put into accounts, then it means that there is no justice left in this country.
Between the time that the marriage breaks and between the time you actually get out of it, there's a huge walk that you have to do. And that walk is being controlled by our judicial system. From the time the marriage breaks to the time you say, okay, officially, okay, I can get out. And that has been changed. The process of, the judicial way of separation, separating out, saying you go my own way, I go my own way, that has to be good. It cannot be what it is just taking too many lives.
The Supreme Court said itself, 498A and DV are the most misused provisions of law, and the acquittal rate is 96%. The point is the Supreme Court or the laws, they should not do a mere lip services. When they know that 96% of the people are acquitting in all these cases, they should put stringent measures or punishment to the people who file false cases. Like if they have filed 498A and it has been proved false, let the people get 14 years double punishment who have filed the false cases.
And we make these things better, and we make our justice system better. See, the judicial reforms has been talked about something. I think talk, but start doing some actions so that innocent people who are facing trouble relationships do not have to do a walk of death just to get justice.
Please spread this awareness to the entire society to remove inequalities in our country, ensure justice to everyone. Atul sacrificed life only for all these reasons.
All we want is the courts or the law should also give a fair hearing or trial to the men to take their evidences seriously, go to trial and get that.
So I urge that every one of you should continue in this campaign, and we should ensure that we get justice, and the systems and courts, everything gets corrected to support men also.
Down, down. Down, down. Down, down. Justice is. Justice is. Justice is. Beke beko. Beke beko. Beke beko. Justice is. Justice is. Down, down. Down, down. Down, down.